how to set up a table when your special visitors coming over? Well, at this time, we'll visit a class of a grade 4 student with a group of teachers demonstrating on how to set up a table. Come and let's see.
Good day, everyone. This time, we're going to teach you how to set a table. These are the materials. But before that, I will give you some information. Tables can be set or arranged to suit the meal prepared for a certain occasion. First one is the tablecloth. The shape of the tablecloth should fit the shape of the dining table. The second one is the placemat. The placemat is laid with a distance of not more than 1 to 1.5 inches from the edge. The third one is the table napkin. The table napkin is placed at the left of the cover beside the fork or may be placed at the center on the plate or between knives and forks. The fourth one is the bread and butter plate with the butter spreader. It is placed at the left of the cover near the tip of the fork. And the butter spreader is placed on the bread and butter plate parallel to the edge of the table. Fifth one is the plate. The plate occupies the center of the cover and should be more 1 inch from the edge of the table. The sixth one is the dinner knife. The dinner knife is placed to the right of the plate with the cutting edge next to the plate. The seventh one is the spoon and fork. The spoon is placed next to the dinner knife and the fork is between table napkin and plate. The last one is the water glass. The water glass is placed just above the tip of the dinner knife.
Hello, children! Hi, teachers! I'm Teacher Angeli,
Teacher Jason,
Teacher I,
and Teacher Daisy.
After you have seen the demonstration about table setting,
Let us now recall the different materials that can be used in table setting and as well as how to set this up.
So are you ready?
Yes!
Okay, let's start.
you will identify what kind of material is this. Okay, Resolyn.
Table napkin.
Very good. Okay, so how about this one?
Glory D? Bread and butter plate.
Okay, so this one.
Butter spreader.
Very good.
How about this one? Anjanette?
It's a plate.
Very good.
How about this one?
Lucille? Water glass.
Okay, very good. How about this one? Geraldine.
Spoon and fork.
Very good. Okay, so this one. Anjanette.
Dinner knife.
Very good.
This one? Yes, Lucille? Placemat. Very good.
Okay, the last one. Rizalyn.
It's a tablecloth.
Okay, very good.
And now, let me ask one volunteer from the class who will demonstrate the basic table setting arrangement. Raise your hands. Yes, Honey Jane. Please be at the center. Now, you will demonstrate the basic table setting arrangement. Are you ready? Okay, please start. Okay, very good. The first one to put on the table is the tablecloth. It will be followed by the placemat, the table napkin, And the last is the water glass. So thank you so much, Honey Jane, and let's give her a big round of applause. For your assignment, on one short bond paper, draw the basic table setting arrangement and pass that one tomorrow.
So please pick up a pieces of paper and arrange your chairs and class dismissed.
Goodbye, class! Goodbye and thank you, teachers! There you have it, with definitely, absolutely, totally effective teachers and attentive learners. So, I get a question. Are you fond of making creative paper folding and dyeing spiral t-shirt? Well, we're giving you the best tutorial. Check this out.
First step, fold down the middle. Then, fold to a crease. Step 2. Now, fold each corner towards the crease line. Step 3. Fold along the crease line to form the body of the airplane. Then, fold the wings down one at a time. Step 4. And finally, unfold the wings to produce your paper airplane. There you have it. Now, you have a paper airplane. Step 1. Start with a 6 by 6 inches square origami paper, color side down. Fold on one diagonal axis. Crease well and fold. Step 2. Fold the top tip down to meet the center point. Then, fold it over the center crease. Step 3. For the right tip, mark B below to meet point A. Also, fold left tip, mark C below to meet point A. Step 4. Fold both the right and the left tips upwards to form the ears. Step 5. Fold the top tip downwards. Step 6. Flip paper over. Fold the bottom tip upwards as indicated below. Step 7. Now, fold down the nose tip. Then, put 2 small circles on the top of the nose. Step 8. The next step is to make the origami cat body. Start with a 6 by 6 inches square origami paper, color side down. Fold on one diagonal axis. Crease well and unfold. Step 9. Fold both sides towards the center crease. Step 10. Now, fold the paper in half. Step 11. Rotate the paper. We are now going to work in our cat's tail. Make a fold where indicated below. Crease well. Step 12. Make another fold as indicated by the dotted line below. Crease well. Step 13. Unfold the paper. Using the 2 creases you made earlier, you can now bring the right tip over to the left and squash it down. Step 14. Now, fold the tail upwards where indicated. Step 15. Let's complete the cat's body. Fold the tail in half by bringing the left fluff over the right. Step 16. Attach the cat's head to the body and your origami cat is complete. There you have it. Now we have our origami cat.
In making the classic spiral tie-dye t-shirt, here are the materials needed. First is the container with the warm water. Next is the t-shirt. The dyes, the vinegar, empty bottle, and the last are the rubber bands. Step 1. Mix the colored dyes in an empty bottles with the vinegar and the warm water. Step 2. Place a pre-washed still damp t-shirt flat on a smooth plastic drop cloth. Step 3.
Pick a spot on the shirt and pinch some fabric to place between your fingers. Step 4. Twist your fingers to begin the spiral twirl and begin wrapping the fabric around your pinch. Continue twisting until it resembles the shape of a cinnamon roll. Step 5. Use rubber bands to hold the fabric together. Slide the rubber bands under and over the spiral so that the fabric will hold its shape during the dyeing process. Step 6. Apply the dye to the shirt using the spray bottles containing the mixtured vinegar, warm water, and the dye itself. Step 7. After dyeing, place the shirt in an area and wait for 4 hours. After 4 hours,
Rinse the shirt and let it dry. After drying, here comes the result. The classic spiral tie-dye t-shirt.
Hey, I heard you like the wild ones, wild ones, wild ones.
Oh, I like crazy, foolish, stupid. How they going wild, fist pumping music. I might lose it. Glass to the roof, how we lose it, lose it, lose it. I don't care tonight, she don't care. We like almost there, the right vibe, ready to get live. Ain't no surprise, take me so high, jumping those dives, surfing the crowd. Ooh, said I gotta be the man, I'm the head of my band. Mic check 1, 2. Shut them down in the club with a Playboy does till they all get loose, loose out the bottle. We all get fit in again tomorrow. Gotta break rules 'cause that's the motto. Club shut down 100 supermodels.
Hey,